So in leather terms, this is called a single shoulder. So this is the shoulder of the animal. Some people might think it's crazy, but I always try to think about the animal and keep some of the stuff, you know, just like if there's a brand or if there's scars and stuff. I mean, that's just a part of their body and their story. So I'm going to start with an 1.5 inch belt. So I've set it for 1.5 inches. Alright, so this little machine is called a creaser. All it does is creases 2 lines on the belt just for decoration. I mean, it looks a whole lot better than just a regular, just a plain belt. Now there's machines for this. I've got a pull-through machine that does all 4 sides or edges. But there's just something, my son will attest to this too, there's something pleasing about just doing this. I don't know what it is. I guess that's one of my issues. I guess I really try to get everything to where if I wouldn't be happy with it, I'm not going to let it go out of my shop. My next step is using a leather balm, just for protection. But it really glosses up. So I take a product that's called Resolene and just go right over top of that edge coat with it. I'll put lines on it. So with this one, all I'm doing is thinning it out a little bit where this buckle's gonna, so let it fold over. That leather's so thick that it's just not gonna let it fold without thinning it down there. And I've gotta make a couple of keepers. Alright, so there's the 2 snaps. And we'll put a buckle in between those in just a second. I don't want to take the time to make something and then put some crappy hardware on. It's going to start rusting or something. I always use stainless or brass. Cost more, but hey.